CarPlay from Apple is one of the most popular ways to make an Apple iPhone a direct part of your vehicle experience. You can connect Apple CarPlay using a USB cable or connect wirelessly. This video will show you the steps for both. For wired connections, connect the cable to the leftmost USB port and to the iPhone. When prompted on screen, tap Yes. You may be asked to grant permissions on screen. And you may also be asked permission to use Apple CarPlay on your iPhone as well. When you plug in your iPhone for the first time and approve CarPlay on your iPhone, you may be asked if you want to use CarPlay wirelessly. If you wish to use wireless CarPlay, select Enable Wireless CarPlay. To set up wireless Apple CarPlay manually, go to the touchscreen, select the home screen icon, tap the Apple CarPlay icon, and select Connect New Device. To connect via Bluetooth, first, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Then select Honda Odyssey. Verify that the pairing codes shown on your phone and on the Odyssey screen are the same. In the unlikely event the codes don't match, there may be more than one phone in range. Put other phones in airplane mode to continue with pairing. Then select Pair on your phone. Tap Yes to enable Apple CarPlay on Odyssey screen. Again, you may be asked to grant permissions on screen. You may be asked to sync favorites and contacts, as well as permission to turn on Wi-Fi and use CarPlay. To disconnect or delete your iPhone, on the center touchscreen, select the home screen icon. Select Apple CarPlay and then your connected iPhone. Tap Delete Device and then tap Delete on the next screen. For more helpful tips on your Honda, visit the Honda Info Center at hondainfocenter.com.